Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. So in today's session of Fortran programs, we will see how to use our do loop to find the factorial of any number. So here we will start with a factorial of a number. So the code for the same is here. So the program for factorial of a number is started with factorial, and here we have taken three variable I, n and fact. Those are in integer data type, and here we want to enter that number of which the factorial will be calculated, and we have initialized our factorial value as 1. As we know that factorial can't be 0, otherwise the entire factorial value will come as 0. So here the do loop will run up to 1 from 1 to n, and in each step of this loop the factorial and the factorial it will be calculated like first it will enter the number, and from 1 it will come to 2, and it will multiply all these number with along with the do loop and multiply that with the previous factorial and store it to the factorial. So this way it will execute, and at the end we will print our factorial value. So let's try to execute this. So here I have written the same code in this online compiler, that is one compiler. So let's execute this. So here I am going to run this command. Okay, here we will enter our number. I am entering 2 for this time, and you can see that factorial of 2 is 2. So let's enter some bigger number to see how much it will be. 4 3 are into 2, that means it will be 24, and see here the answer is coming as 24. We can try to enter some bigger number. Here I am entering 10, so it will be 3628800. So like this we can calculate the factorial of any number using this code. This is very simple, as we have written our previous codes for the sum of n numbers. So this way only we have written this code. And this much for today's session, and thank you all, and bye bye.